Now, track fans, there is a very big drama in Jamaica currently because the second fastest man in the world has have had enough of people disrespecting and calling out his name to retire. He has finally spoken out his mind about what he thinks about people pressuring him to give up on athletics and retire because he has already done a lot to athletics. I mean, he has achieved a lot and he is the second fastest man. Here is what Johan Blake has to say. I'll advise you to listen carefully to what he has to say during his training. He has a message, and I'll be happy if you subscribe and also make sure to like the video. Now, this is what Johan Blake has to say about people disrespecting and calling out his name for him to retire.
I'm under motivation. If people is talking bad about you, that's mean you're doing something good. But if people not talking anything or any negative about you, that's mean you're doing something bad. Check your levels. People always have things to say because you're doing good. Remember, stay to your dream. Trust in God. Believe anything is possible. If you believe you can fly, so fly. People is talking bad about you, that's mean you're doing something good. But if people not talking anything or any negative about you, that's mean you're doing something bad. Check your levels. People always have things to say because you're doing good. Remember, stay to your dream. Trust in God. Believe anything is possible. If you believe you can fly, so fly.
So, Johan Blake did not just stop there. He also wrote something on his official Facebook account warning people that are pressuring him to give up on athletics because he believed in himself. He said, "Don't let the expectations and opinions of other people affect your decision. It's your life, not theirs. Do what matters most to you. Do what makes you feel alive and happy. Don't let the expectations and ideas of others limit who you are. If you let others tell you who you are living their reality, not yours. There is more to life than pleasing people. There is much more to life than following others prescribed path. There is so much more to life than what you experience right now. You need to decide who you are for yourself. Become a whole being adventure." And I think there is nothing bad in Johan Blake expressing himself. People should allow Johan Blake to run. That is his decision, not their decision. I think he is right, and I'm 100% with him. If he is ready to run, track fans, let him run.